Hey, so welcome back. Let's cut to the chase and make this video short. We don't have all day to be spending our time on specific apps. So, I've been using the Wyze Cams since 2018, and I was till yesterday looking on YouTube and I didn't really find any videos concerning their durability and whether or not they are still a thing in 2020. So this is a quick video on that topic. Like I said, I've been using them since 2018. We are now in early 2020, and yeah, they are still doing a really good job. I've placed my cams indoor and outdoors. I'm using in total I think 5 cams, as well as office and at home. And they're still doing the same as day one. They're same video quality, same sound quality. So I'm extremely satisfied. I went ahead and ordered 2 more. I'll be expanding the range of my camera coverage. But overall, this is just a thumbs up video. They're doing a great job. They're doing a great job as it is right now. Yesterday I got updates, so I installed that. You can find that also in the descriptions. I would, however, recommend Wyze to improve on 2 areas. One being that I would still love it if I could just pop up my laptop and log in from the browser through their website and still view my recordings, my live stream, and two-way audio. We can always forget our phone, you know. And for people that are monitoring, for people that are using the Wyze Cams, they're mostly just want to know what's happening at home. And if I forget my phone, I can't even look at the screens anymore. That's a bit disappointing. So browser-based live streaming, that's something they could work on.
And my second suggestion was for fixing a cloud-based storage, and as you can see, that's been fixed. Hooray!
So, with that being said, that was the Wyze review in 2020. Durability.